ഹായ് വ്യൂവേഴ്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ഫുൾ ഓഫ് കെമിസ്ട്രി. ദിസ് ഈസ് മുബീന അഷ്കർ. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് 2014 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 31 to 40 ആണ്. സോ പ്ലീസ് വാച്ച് ഇറ്റ്. 31st question. Reynolds Brode phenomenon is seen in options Candida albicans, Candida tropicalis, Histoplasma or Cryptococcus. Answer is option A. Gem tube formation was first reported by Reynolds and Brode, and hence the gem tube test is also known as Reynolds-Brode phenomenon. This is a rapid method for identifying and differentiating C. albicans. Question number 32. Epidermophyton affects options skin and nail, skin and hair, hair and nail, or skin, hair and nail. The answer is option A. Epidermophyton flocosum is a filamentous fungus that causes skin and nail infections in humans. This anthropophilic dermatophyte can lead to diseases such as Tinea pedis, that is athlete's foot, Tinea cruris, Tinea corporis, etc. Question number 33. Reservoir of Leptospira. Options cat, dog, rat, monkey. The answer is option C. Leptospira causes leptospirosis, which affects human and animals. The most common test is through serological test, either the microscopic agglutination test, which detects serover-specific antibodies, or a solid phase assay for the detection of immunoglobulin M antibodies. Question number 34. Medium for the growth of anaerobic bacteria. Options blood agar, LJ medium, RCM, or Makongi agar medium. The answer is option C. The cooked meat broth, that is Robertson cooked meat medium, RCM, is non-selective for the cultivation of anaerobic organisms. With the addition of glucose, can be used for gas liquid chromatography. Blood agar is an enriched bacterial growth medium that encourages the growth of bacteria such as Fastidium organism like Streptococcus that otherwise wouldn't grow. LJ, that is Lowenstein-Jensen medium, is a growth medium specially used for culture of Mycobacterium species. When grown on LJ medium, Mycobacterium tuberculosis appears as brown granular colonies. Makongi agar is a selective and differential culture medium for bacteria. It is selectively isolate gram-negative and enteric bacilli and differentiate them based on lactose fermentation. Question number 35. Flame cells are seen in options protozoa, cestode, nematode, or none of these. The answer is option B. Flame cells are ciliated cells found in freshwater invertebrates such as flatworms, including parasitic tapeworms and free-living planaria. In the excretory system of planaria, cilia of flame cells propel waste through a tubule formed by a tube cell. Nematodes are roundworm. Infections in humans include Ascariasis, hookworm, enterobiasis, etc. Protozoa are a single-celled organism. Question number 36. Chagas disease is caused by options Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma brucei, Trypanosoma gambians, or Trypanosoma rhodesiensis. The answer is option A. Chagas disease, also known as American trypanosomiasis, is an infection caused by a protozoan parasite that can result in acute inflammatory skin changes, that is chagomas, and eventually may cause infections. Trypanosoma brucei is the cause of vector-borne diseases of vertebrate animals. In humans, Trypanosoma brucei causes African trypanosomiasis. The African sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma gambians or Trypanosoma rhodesiensis and is transmitted to humans by the bite of tsetse flies. Question number 37. The Schaffner's dot is seen in. The options are Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, or Plasmodium malariae. The answer is option A. Schaffner's dot refers to a hematological finding that is associated with malaria. Plasmodium falciparum is a unicellular protozoan parasite of humans. The parasite is transmitted through the bite of a female Anopheles mosquito and causes the disease most dangerous form falciparum malaria. Plasmodium ovale is a species of parasitic protozoan that causes certain malaria in humans. There are 5 species of Plasmodium which can infect humans and cause illness. There are Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium novelci. Question number 38. Holding period of autoclave is options 150 degree for 15 minutes at 15 lbs, 100 degree for 1 hour, 121 degree for 15 minutes at 15 lbs, 161 degree for 30 minutes. The answer is option C. Autoclave is used for heat sterilization and commonly use steam heated to 121 to 134 degree or 250 to 273 degree Fahrenheit with a holding time of at least 15 minutes at 121 degree or 3 minutes at 134 degree. Longer for liquids and surgical instruments packed in layers of cloth. 39th question. Endotracheal tubes are best sterilized by. The answer is option B, glutaraldehyde. Endotracheal tubes serve as an open passage through the upper airway. They are made of PVC. The Murphy eye is the eponymous name for a hole on the side of most endotracheal tubes that function as a vent. The last question. Blood agar is an example of. The answer is option D, enriched media. Enrichment media. A media may be enriched by the addition of blood or serum. Examples include sheep blood agar and chocolate agar. In indicator media, an indicator is included in the medium. Examples blood agar and McConkie agar. In differential media are bacteriological growth media that contain specific ingredients. The Streptococcus eosin methylene blue, which is differential for lactose and sucrose fermentation. Thank you so much for watching me. Let's meet with another video of the question paper answering. Thank you.